PCOS or Polycystic ovarian syndrome affects 1 in 10 women of reproductive age. Common to all women with PCOS is an irregularity in the menstrual cycle and the presence of excess male hormones. It not only hampers fertility but can also cause some serious complications. More than 50% of women with PCOS could have prediabetes before the age of 40. The risk of heart attack is also 4 to 7 times higher in women with PCOS. So what's the relationship between PCOS and weight? About 80% of women with PCOS are overweight or obese due to the same hormonal imbalance. A review of 30 research studies revealed that obese women with PCOS had increased total testosterone, fasting glucose, insulin resistance, and lipid levels compared to normal weight women with PCOS. Now, the same studies have also shown that even a 5% reduction in weight with the right diet can improve your conditions. Also, PCOS leads to weight gain due to developing insulin resistance. It's very important to break this vicious cycle by losing weight. Prevention and treatment of obesity is the most important piece of managing PCOS. Do not lose hope. Lose weight instead to manage PCOS symptoms effectively. What is Truweight approach? The Truweight approach to PCOS is a holistic approach that is based on nutrition and lifestyle modification. Truweight offers you a personal dietitian along with a range of superfoods. Some of the key principles of Truweight for PCOS management are: Number 1, low glycemic index diet. Number 2, add more protein and fiber. Number 3, focus on good fats. Number 4, focus on vitamins. Number 5, go gluten-free. Let's fight PCOS by losing weight as thousands have done earlier. Start with an analysis of your current health parameters, current food habits, and lifestyle choices. We will do this through our service of health consultation at home. It is worth Rs 1500, but for a limited time, we are offering it absolutely free. And you don't even have to travel anywhere to avail it. Book your free health consultation today, take the right decision for your health, and get fitter and healthier with Truweight. Book it now.